Hi guys, happy holidays and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm always excited about a haul, but guys, I'm super excited about today's sponsor, which is gonna be Ouder. I'm hoping I'm saying that right because Ouder, O-U-D-E-R, Ouder. I have the most beautiful pair of tennis shoes right here. I love fun tennis shoes and fun, like, good quality shoes. These are amazing quality. They had so many beautiful pairs to pick from. They also have amazing, like, beautiful snow boots. I think you guys are gonna love these shoes. They have them in men's size, kid size, and women's sizes, so something for everybody. And they're just so fun and stylish. Like, they're just really cool. Okay, let's unbox them together. Guys, this is so cute. The box, first of all, is just like, this is such a good Christmas present for someone that loves shoes. So I'm gonna open these up with you. Oh. I chose the denim pair that they had on their site, and these are just so fun. I'm a huge fan of denim. I think these are just literally so beautiful. The quality is insane. Like, wow, literally so cool. These are like, these will not fold. These are literally the same quality as like Gucci shoes I have, but feels even better. Super sturdy. Like, these are not bending. I'm trying to like squish them this way together and they won't. The bottom even has a protector on it, and they're so cute. They say smile. Beautiful. I don't even want to take these off, but I'm gonna have to because these will make me slip and slide. But yeah, these are seriously, these are so beautiful. Like, guys, the quality, and I love the denim laces on this. So beautiful. Let's get out the other shoe. These look like huge. So I'm usually like about a size 9 in women's, and I did get a size 43. I mean, literally, like, look how beautiful these are. The quality is insane. Literally the perfect Christmas gift for someone in your life that loves shoes. I am not kidding you on that, because, like, look how beautiful these are. I love these so much, and I know you're gonna love them too. Go check out all of their shoes that they have on their site. You guys can use all my links down below to help support my channel and to find anything from today's video. Literally in love. So the shoes also came with an extra pair of laces, and these are so cool. It's like that ropey hemp material. So I might try these one day, but right now I'm really liking the denim laces, so I'm just gonna like enjoy that. We'll keep you safe for another day. But y'all, I also got these accessories with these shoes. One thing I super love about Ouder is that they have the cutest accessories for your shoes. Like, y'all, my shoe is about to have a chain. It's so cute. Look at this. Let's see, can we see it? Look at this little robot, guys. He is so cute. He just hooks onto like your laces on your shoe on one side, and then here's for the other side. Isn't that beautiful? Is it gonna focus? So that's what we have. We have one for one side, one for the other. So I went ahead and attached the charms, and they are so cute, y'all. They have really the cutest little accessories. They have little bunny tails you can stick on the back of your shoes. So much stuff. But for this today, for these shoes, I went with the little robot, and he is so cute. Look how cute. Aren't these literally so perfect? Like, y'all, I cannot. These are like nicer than shoes I've spent thousands of dollars on, and these are like, I want to say a little over $100. These are like nice designer shoes, and they're also going to be having a Black Friday sale, so make sure you guys don't miss it, and check all my links down below so you guys can make sure that you guys get your pair of Ouder shoes, because you're gonna freaking love them. They're so cute. And yeah, let's try these on. Let's see how they look on. So I have them on. We're going to switch to like a long form so you guys can see me. And this is what they look like on. They're so cute. These are pretty big shoes, and I love like fun oversized type of things, but these are literally so cute. And I'm definitely gonna have to give these shoes a 20 out of 10. These are just so fun. I feel so cool in these, and you will too. Get these for a shoe lover in your life for Christmas. Get them for yourself. And most of all, make sure you guys go check out their Black Friday sale. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss it. And I say these are really good quality shoes. They are literally better than Gucci, better than any designer shoe I've ever had. The feeling, the thickness, and like they're also very comfortable, way more comfortable than $1,000 pair of shoes. Definitely go check them out. You're gonna love them. And yeah, tell Ouder I sent you. And you guys can find all the links from these shoes and the accessories that I got from today's video in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out. This is the perfect gift for somebody in your life. Make sure you don't miss that. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you guys have the best day. Bye. Happy holidays.